Temperature in LLMs. Temperature in a large language model is a setting that controls how random or predictable the model's next word choices are when it generates text. You can think of temperature like a creativity dial on a text generator. Turn it down and the model sticks to the safest, most common words. Turn it up and it becomes more adventurous, willing to pick less likely but more surprising options. In another video on this channel, Context Window explains how much text the model can see, while temperature controls how boldly it uses that context. For example, answering "describe the ocean at sunset with temperature near zero" might give a plain factual sentence, while a temperature around 0.8 could produce vivid, varied descriptions that change each time you run the prompt. Temperature matters because it lets you tune LLMs for reliability or creativity. Low values are useful for stable coding or factual tasks, while moderate values help brainstorming, writing, and ideation. Remember, temperature in LLMs is the knob that trades off predictability against variety.